Hi everybody, it's John.
And Joshua from Drones and Planes.
It is, and today we are going to take you to the Southside Viewing Park. So yes, we're starting here from the airport hotel. It's the same place where you start the walk for the Runway 05 landing lights. I'll send a link to that in the top right hand corner in a minute. But yes, we're going to go to Southside, enjoy the bit. So the first place to head towards is to the actual left of the airport hotel. So there's the entrance, just turn a left here. Follow the sign for the National Trust Walk. The parking here is £3 for 8 hours, which is not bad, but I believe you can also park up here for free if there are spaces. But anyway, all you need to do is walk up this road for a little while and then we need to turn right, so I'll see you then. Okay, so when you get to the top of the little road, it bears off to the left, which looks like a little car parking area, but what you want to do is actually turn right and follow the signs for the National Trust. But anyway, yes, there's quite a well marked footpath. I've noticed there is a lot of litter along here as well, which is a bit disappointing. So obviously if you are a responsible plane spotter, which I'm sure we all are, please leave your rubbish in a bag and take it home with you, because rubbish is not very nice to jet engines. So yes, let's just all be tidy. And you can probably hear a plane in the background, which hopefully will be blasting past in a second. So there is a viewing point just up the hill there. So as we sort of came out into the open, the road forks, you can see people climbing up there with a dog and what have you. So you can pop your head up there if you wish. But we're going to carry on walking straight and following the path through the trees and carrying up towards the mound. So just keep walking. We're getting to a little wooded area here now. Just keep following the path. It's a very simple walk, this one. It's not too far. I think it's only about 5 or 10 minutes from memory. Not been here for a while. But once we got around the corner here, I'll give you further instructions.
Remember this.
So just keep following the path. Can't go wrong. And the next bit will be a right turn. And then we shall be on the final approach. So we've just come out of the wooded area. Just making our way up to another section in a minute. Just want to remind you as well, obviously there's no facilities at this side, unlike the Runway Visitor Park. So there's no loo, no shop, so you'll need to bring your own food, drink, and obviously waste paper bag or rubbish bag or whatever you want to call it, to take all your filthy rubbish home. So we reach a gate now. Obviously you can see the airport in the background with the control tower just coming into view. So just keep on going through the gate. Then we want to turn right here. That's right, not left. To keep on going to reach the mound. So now after turning right, you just walk along the perimeter fence for a little while, and then we'll be turning right, cutting right in a little while, just to go up onto the mound, which will take us above the horrible fencing to the left and give us some awesome views of the planes taxiing out and departuring. So we're now going to turn right where these people are coming down, which is a little fence with a very well marked path, and we'll just go up over the top and hopefully we'll get to see some planes. That's it, just go through the gate and just walk up there and then turn to the left and we're there. And here we go, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Southside. You can see that there's quite a few people here already. There appears to be a bin rather overflowing, sadly, but at least we're looking pretty good. So this is why we come here, because look at the views that you get. There's Ryanair 737-800s just turning left, right, middle, centre, whatever. Oh, turning right, lining up, and off she goes. Can't ask for a better view than that, hey? This is John from Drones and Planes saying goodbye. Hope you've enjoyed the video. If you've got any questions, please do leave them in the comments below. And if you've enjoyed the footage or found it useful, then please give me a like. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to receive the latest updates on our aviation and drone related videos. Anyway, this is John saying goodbye and have a great day. Cheers now.